Here's a really quick video. I'm going to show you how to do this without getting into anything else. Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. I'm just working on this Honda powered generator. This has a GX390 on it, and I thought I'd make a quick video about how to set the governor arm up on these. A lot of guys have trouble. It's confusing if you read it online. So here's a really quick video. I'm going to show you how to do this without getting into anything else. All right, what you want to do is loosen off this nut, 10 mil nut. See it right there? Then you want to push this arm all the way to the right. So push it all the way to the right. Then you want to take a pair of needle nose pliers and turn this governor rod counterclockwise as far as it'll go. It won't go far, guys. It might go a couple degrees. Just a little tiny turn like that. When you've got that turned counterclockwise and it's stopped, and you've got this arm pushed to the right, tighten this pinch bolt down and you're set. That's all. Hit subscribe for more quick tips about setting up generators and lawnmowers and things like that. And thanks for watching.